Most people think you need thousands of followers or to be famous to get the blue badge on Instagram. That's not true anymore. In this video, I'll show you how to get verified on Instagram and Facebook using Meta Verify step by step. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rolly, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get the blue verification badge on Instagram and Facebook using Meta Verify. The best part is that you don't need millions of followers anymore. If you follow these steps correctly, you can apply and get verified too. Also make sure you watch until the end, because I'm gonna share a very important mistake people make when applying for the Meta Verify that can cause the request to be rejected. Step number 1. First, make sure your Instagram or Facebook app is updated. So to make sure, we are going to open our App Store or Google Play Store. It depends. If you're on Android, you use Google Play Store. If you're on iPhone, use App Store. So we are going to open our App Store, then search for Facebook or Instagram. So it depends. I'm gonna search for Facebook, and as you can see, my Facebook is up to date, my Instagram is up to date. We can now go on the second step. Step number 2. Now open your Instagram. In this video, I'm gonna use Facebook to get verified, but I'm gonna show you how you can also do it on Instagram. Open your Instagram, go to your profile, then tap the 3 line in the top right corner here, and then you click on Account Center here, and then you scroll down, you click on Meta Verify. That is very same step we are going to do on Facebook. So on Facebook, you open the Facebook app, you click on your profile menu, and then you scroll down on Meta Verified. So you scroll down on Meta Verify. So when you click on Meta Verify here on Facebook, you have to choose now the account you want to verify. If it's a page, you just select your Facebook page. If it's your profile, you just select your Facebook profile. For this video, I'm gonna use my Facebook profile. Then I click on Next. And now the next step is to choose a plan. Are you going to use Standard, Plus, Premium, or Max? For this video, we're going to use Standard because it's the cheapest one. So with $10 a month, you can be verified on Facebook or Instagram. And with $16 a month, you can get verified on both Facebook and Instagram. And Facebook is giving right now a discount for almost 90%, I can say, or 99% of discount on Facebook, and you can get verified for less than $1. You can get verified for $0.69 only. So we are going to choose the Standard plan one. I click on Unlock Benefits, and it says save 17% on 2 profiles. So in this case, if you want to verify 2 profiles like Facebook and Instagram at the same time, you click just on save 70% on 2 profiles. If you want to verify only 1 profile, you can just use Facebook only or Instagram only. In this case, I'm going to use 2 profiles. So I'm going to verify my Instagram and my Facebook at the same time, and I will show you the results at the end of this video. So I click on save, and then we are going to follow all the steps they are going to show us. There you go. And after that, you can read all the benefits you have on the subscription. So you have a verified badge, increased account protection, enhanced support, upgraded profile links, search optimization, unique stickers, and so many. So what we are going to do, we click on continue. And a quick reminder, all you need is a government ID, either a passport, national ID, or a driver license. That's all you need. And also make sure your profile name must match your ID and your profile photo must show your real face. So after that, we're just going to the payment method. So for those who are using iPhone, just double click on the power button, and for those who are using Android, just fill in your information. So I'm going to double tap on the power button, and we just have to wait just a little bit to go to the next step. As you can see, the payment went through. It's okay. Now let's go to the next step. All right, now we have to confirm our profile name. I click here. My profile name is Konga. As I said here, you are going to use a government ID, either a passport, national ID, or a driver license, and make sure your profile name must match your ID and your profile photo must show your real face. So that's what you really need. I click here on confirm my name. Then we go to the next step. Just you gotta understand and as you can see, so what is acceptable and what is not acceptable. So like this one is okay. I just click on confirm and I click on submit. And after that, I'm going to choose passport here. I click on next. So I was saying after taking it, I have now to submit. So I just make it a little bit blue so that because it's my personal information and I cannot share it with everybody. So after taking it, I'm going to submit and wait. All right, and after that, we just click on finish. And as I said, there are 3 mistakes people make. Now let me share 3 mistakes that can stop you from getting verified. Mistake number 1, fake name. Your profile name must match your government ID. Mistake number 2, fake profile photo. Your profile picture must show your real face clearly. And step number 3, inactive account. If your account is not active, Meta may reject your request. So that's what you should know. So we just have to wait for a few minutes because they have to review our submission. So once the submission reviewing is done, then we can have the verification badge on our profile. So I'll be back to you once they analyzed my request, and if everything is okay, you'll see the blue badge on my profile on Facebook and Instagram. And as you can see, after a few minutes, I've received a message from Instagram and Facebook. As you can see, we confirmed your identity. Your Meta verified subscription is now active. And if I came here on my profile, you can see now my profile is verified. Let's do the same also on Facebook. You come here on Facebook. I click here. Meta verified standard is now active on your Facebook and Instagram profile. If I come here on my Facebook, you can see now my Facebook profile is verified. So this is how you can get verified on Instagram and Facebook in 2026. And that's it. That's how you get verified on Instagram and Facebook using Meta Verify. If this video was helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And also tell me in the comments, are you planning to get verified? Let me know in the comment below.